Welcome to CEDIA 2022 and our 11.12.6 immersive demonstration. Our Officina Acustica room combines aesthetics with advanced acoustic design, is manufactured in Italy, and then built here in Dallas. Trinnov's Altitude 32 renders all 29 channels of the system with the benefits of Trinnov's unique optimizer technology, while 17 SonusFaber loudspeakers plus 12 of their subwoofers will create an unparalleled immersive audio environment. 19 McIntosh amplifiers provide truly massive power to drive all of these speakers, and Kaleidescape's Terra server and Strato player deliver the reference quality images and sound that have made them the industry's leader for private cinema. Finally, the madVR Envy adds best-in-class HDR tone mapping to deliver the ultimate picture quality and immersion. Representatives from all of these companies will be just outside after the demo to answer any questions that you might have. Now, relax and enjoy the show.